Welcome back. I hope you're alive after the last few videos, but I hope you've gotten out of them with a new mindset and a new way of approaching collections as functions. And in this video, and this very short video, we are going to apply this mindset on more collections. So armed with this new approach, let's think about sequences for a second. So if you know, sequences are callable, that is, they have an apply method with an integer index. So if you call the apply method, the contract basically says, give me the element at this index in this sequence. So for example, if you instantiate a list and you apply, that is, you call the apply method for this list at an index, it will either return some value or it will throw an exception. Now, what kind of functional thing either returns a value or throws an exception? I'll give you like 2 seconds to think about this. Hint, it's something that we explored a couple of videos ago. And also hint, it's on the screen. So sequences are partially defined on the domain 0 to length -1, and you can think of sequences as partial functions from int, that is the index, and the type that they contain. So sequences are partial functions from int to a. Now, quite a similar line of reasoning happens for maps, because maps are quote-unquote callable by their keys. That is, they have the apply method, which takes a key and returns a value. So this is the contract for map. But if you have a map and you call apply with an existing key, it will return a value. But if you call the apply method with a non-existing key, then that will throw an exception. Now, what functional thing takes an argument and either returns a value or throws an exception? Well, hint, it's a partial function. So a map is defined on the domain of its keys, which is a subdomain on the type A. So maps are actually partial functions. Now, I told you this would be a short video, but I hope you've gotten out of these 3-4 videos with a new way of approaching collections. This is incredibly important when designing APIs, when designing collections, and when designing libraries of your own. I'm Daniel, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.